No matter how many denominations I hunt, why am I always the most excited to go through a circulated box of pennies? Hey everyone, it's Rob with Rob Finds Treasure, and we're on some pennies. I've been going crazy with the nickels. I've done some half dollars, I did some dimes, I did some presidential dollars, you name it. Picked up this box of pennies along with that box of pennies, and we've got a couple to hunt. Only one in this video. I've already checked. It is circulated. I've not looked at the enders other than to make sure it was circulated, which obviously it is. All right, I'm ready to get into this. How about you? We'll loop you guys in on the first cool find. We're on roll number 3, and we're going to have our first wheat cent of the box. I can see it back there. We're going to go ahead and get to it now. Worn pretty good. That's a good find. No mint mark, but we'll take a 1925 Philadelphia. Boom! First Wheatie, and it's a 20s. Can't get mad at that. I can almost guarantee you roll number 13 is going to have a foreign coin in it. It appears as though we got a slightly larger coin. Let's see what it is. Well, good thing I didn't guarantee you it's a foreign coin. The heck is this? That's disgusting. It's a penny with some chocolate candy bar, maybe a Snickers bar on there. Let me go ahead and test this out real quick. Yeah, it's chocolate. Just kidding, guys. I didn't test it. Let's get back to the hunt. All right, guys. We're on roll 30. I still only have one wheat penny, which is this 1925, and I'll take that. We've got 3 really beautiful Lincoln cents and nothing else. Nothing else. But look what I just found. I haven't even looked at the front yet. A Canadian 1 cent, 1931. This is going to be ridiculous. It's going to be King George V on it. Oh, that's beautiful. Let me run a little hot water over it just so I can bring out the detail a little bit. I want to get a good look at this guy. All right, guys. I'm not going to mess with it a little bit. I just put a little bit of warm water, wiped it off. I'm not going to worry about doing anything else to it. We'll leave it like it is. It's got pretty good detail. A little bit of scratching. But you know what? A little scratch down here at the bottom. I'll take it. It's also my first King George V penny that I found from Canada. Ridiculous. We will take it all day. So that's a 31 penny and a 25 penny in this box, and that's all. Not a lot of finds, but we'll take quality over quantity, but I wouldn't mind a little more quantity of the quality ones. Roll 34. Finally going to get our second wheat penny of the box. I saw it as a 50-something, 53. We'll take it. Wheat penny number 2. Roll 41, guys. Got an odd find here in this roll. MC, a heart balloon. I love you. If you have the initials MC out there, let me know. I'm not saying I love you. I'm saying maybe this coin's for you. We'll pull it aside as one of the unique finds. Roll 46. Still stuck on 2 wheat cents, but found our second Canadian as well. 1988. A little bit more modern than the other one. So 2 Canadians, 2 59s, and 2 wheat pennies. We're on the brink of breaking our lowest wheat penny box ever. It was 3. We better find another one, otherwise we set a new low wheat penny record. Roll 50, guys, and not today. We will not break our worst wheatie luck ever. And look at this. A 1919D. We'll take a 1919D. And to top it off, that's now 3 coins, 3 wheat cents, a 25 and a 1919D to go along with that 31 King George V. That's not bad at all. Let's finish this hunt. I'll get you a wrap up. All right, guys, finish that box of pennies. The usual amount of copper. An I Love You MC coin. Pretty cool. We got 1609s, couple of Canadians, including a King George V, 1931. Unbelievable. 359s, 3 wheat cents, a 1919D, a 1925, and a 53D. Quality over quantity. I'll take those all day. And then 3 beautiful pennies here, a 68D, a 71D, and a 74. Those might update in my album. Not a lot of finds, but a lot of fun. I'll take some early coins, especially my first ever King George V, 1931. Hopefully you enjoyed the hunt. If you did, I'd appreciate a thumbs up. And as always, everyone, happy hunting, and thanks for watching.